everyone, it's HTVron트 here. Today let's unbox the HTVron트 manual heat press together. Can't wait to show you. Inside the box, you'll find an instruction manual, an independent control pad, and the machine itself. This manual heat press comes in a glossy modern look with round corners to improve daily use and safety. With an additional weight block, you can enjoy every press down. Be sure to read the instruction manual before use to help you operate the machine better. Connect the remote control to the machine. The control buttons on the manual heat press are designed as a flexible control pad, allowing you to adjust the temperature and time by simply rotating the button. This makes operation simpler, more convenient, and faster. Let's take a look at the heat press part. The heat plate can rotate 180 degrees left and right, ensuring your material won't be affected during the heating process. With the adjustable pressure regulator, you can manually control and adjust the pressure for different objects. Let's heat press with the manual heat press together. After setting the time and temperature, wait 3 seconds or press the temp button to heat up. Let's see how well it works with heat transfer vinyl. Press the time button for 2 seconds to start the countdown. Perfect heat press every time.